Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make coffee cupcakes. Here I have a flour, cornstarch, cocoa powder, cinnamon, salt, baking powder and baking soda. Here I have room temperature butter. First beat the butter until it's creamy, then add sugar and beat until it's nice and fluffy. Now I will combine the flour with the butter and beat. Then add room temperature eggs one by one and beat. Then add warm coffee. I'll start with the eggs. Bake at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment, and thank you for watching.